In the silence of my heart, these words come out so slowly. Sorry for my foolish part, learning as I go. I can't stand to the past I made, but I promise you today, bright shadow free future, I will show you different ways. I love you, dear mother, I want to see you smile. Forgive me if I hesitated. Like a spoiled child I played, but I never meant to harm. I hope this find a way to your love you much. Mama, I love you, dear mom. I want to see you smile. Forgive me if I hesitated. Like a spoiled child I play, but I never meant to harm. I hope it's worth find a way to your love you worms. Mama, I love you, dear mom. I want to see you smile. Forgive me if I hesitated. Oh, mother, we can start again. Erase the pain we know. We're strangers powerful. Can people we float in the world we flow. I love you, dear mother. I want to see you smile. Forgive me if I hesitated. Like a spoiled child I'm playing, but I never meant to harm. I hope is these words find their way to your love you much, much. I love you, dear mother. I want to see you smile. Forgive me if I hesitated. Oh, mother, we can start again. Erase the pain we know. We're strangers powerful. Capable we float in the world with love, with love.